Hello, once again, thank you for watching. The Sewing Doctor Robin is here from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. This time I have a elegant, this is a wavy lock machine that came in with a broken threading system on the needle bar. So the needle bar system, where it goes and does the threading automatically, was broken. We'll be able to replace it now. We just put a new one in there. Also, another job that needs to be done by a certified technician. This kind of work, I only show you the before and after. This way, when you can do it, if it is something that you could do, I would definitely show you. But this has to be done by someone that is actually authorized to work on these machines. That's why I didn't show you the procedure, because it's a little complicated. But I wanted to show you the machine is working 100% now. Like I said, it came in with a broken threading system. It's a very complicated and very automatically threading on it. So I already fixed it. I already put it back together. I already changed the part that was broken on it. Now I'm going to show you how it actually works. I'm going to make some samples on the machine so you can see how nice the machine is working. Remember to please go to the App Store, Google Play, and download our application. It's called the Sewing Doctor. We're going to show you different videos, different tips on sewing machines. Thank you for watching. Again, the Sewing Doctor in New York City, Robin City Sewing. Bye-bye. Let me show you the threading on it. This machine, when you do the threading, you just got to do it nice and soft. You put it there. Now, when you click on it, here. Oh, that was sweet. Look at this.